Hi, my name is Masayo and I'm from Right on Sports. My favorite thing is right.
Hello, my name is Alice. I'm with Right on Sports, and my favorite thing about Right on Sports is that we get to meet famous people and interview them, and we basically just get a chance to become interviewers in the future.
I would, because it's a really fun program, and also it'll teach you a lot about interviewing skills and journalism and photography.
If you have the option to join it, you should, because during the summer, I know there's a lot of kids like me that don't really get to like go outside in the world that much. Like you can't just like go out and do stuff. So if you want to get like away from your house, or like if you're bored at home, this is a good place to do it.
I tell them that, I don't know, just have fun with it. Like no matter if you're learning or not, it's gonna teach you a lot in the future.